Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remain or stay active or online on Fiverr platform using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So if you want to stay login for a longer period or longer time on Fiverr platform, so you can use Google Chrome extension. Now go to Google and then in Google write easy auto refresh Chrome extension, press enter. So this is Chrome web store link, so click on it. So by using this add-on, Fiverr page refresh after some time auto. So click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. Now Chrome add-on has been added to Google Chrome web browser. Now go to Fiverr website again. On top you see Chrome extension icon, so click on it and then you see easy auto refresh, pin it. On top you see refresh icon, so click on it and then you see refresh time in second. So you can add time according to your requirement and then click on start, and if you want to stop then click on stop. So in input field you can add longer period of time like 1 hour, 2 hour. First we are going to add 10 seconds and then click on start. Now after 10 seconds Fiverr page refresh auto. Now we are waiting and now you see page refresh again auto, but you can set longer time like 1 hour, 2 hour or 3 hour. Now click on top and then click on stop, again click on it, so you can add time in seconds according to your requirement and then click on start. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.